An icon reborn is what we are revealing today. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is here, the next generation of a car that expertly blends tradition and innovation. While completely embracing the future of automotive design, this latest version of the Bel Air pays homage to its famous heritage. Introducing the all-new Bel Air, a statement is made at first sight. The distinctive grille, a throwback to a timeless design from the 1950s, now features LED light strips for a more contemporary look that stands out at any time of day or night. The new Bel Air is the product of careful design by Chevrolet. It combines modern elements with a nod to the past. An aerodynamic profile is achieved by the meticulous sculpting of the body, which displays sharp creases and smooth curves. The Bel Air exudes an energetic and dominant presence on the road thanks to its coupe-like roofline that smoothly transitions into a muscular rear end. The Bel Air screams elegance and power as it rolls on 20-inch alloy wheels coated in shiny chrome. The 2025 Bel Air is available with a variety of cutting-edge powertrains to cater to different types of drivers. With an impressive 400 up and 425 pound-feet of torque, the base engine is a powerful 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six. Acceleration is silky smooth and the ride is thrilling thanks to the engine and transmission's 10-speed automatic transmission. An optional hybrid version that integrates electric power with a conventional engine increases efficiency and power is available for individuals looking for even more performance from Chevrolet. Entering the cabin of the 2025 Bel Air is like stepping into a world of pure elegance. Real wood and brushed aluminum details enhance the interior, which has quality leather seats with contrast stitching. You can expect an elite driving experience because every element has been carefully planned. The 15.5-inch curved OLED touchscreen serves as the cabin's focal point and pairs well with the digital instrument cluster. With this state-of-the-art entertainment system, you can enjoy wireless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, it comes with an artificial intelligence assistant that learns your driving preferences, so you can get a personalized experience every time. The 2025 Bel Air prioritizes safety above all else, which is why Chevrolet has outfitted it with cutting-edge driver assistance features. Every trip will be safer with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. Parking and navigating in confined areas are a snap with the Bel Air's 360-degree camera system. Not only do these innovations make driving safer, but they also make it easier and more pleasant. To sum up, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air embodies state-of-the-art technology with classic good looks. This updated take on a timeless symbol heralds the return of an old tale updated for the present age. The Bel Air has the potential to shake up the car industry with its combination of classic good looks, cutting-edge technology, and plush amenities. Everyone may find something they love in the 2025 Bel Air, whether they are nostalgic for the first generation or just enjoy stylish, high-performance cars. As usual, drive safely and stay tuned for additional information. If you want to see more exclusive content, subscribe, like, and click the bell symbol. We appreciate you being here with us today.